Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix insurance premiums with MetLife, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix insurance premiums with MetLife, start by gathering your policy details. Review your current premium amount and coverage levels. Identify any recent changes in your life that may affect your premiums, such as moving, marriage, or changes in health. Visit the MetLife website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one using your policy number and personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Management section. Here, you can view your current premium rates and coverage options. Look for options to adjust your coverage levels based on your needs. Consider increasing deductibles, as this often lowers premium costs. If you have multiple MetLife policies, check for bundle discounts. Use the online tools provided to simulate different coverage scenarios. After adjusting any desired coverage, request a quote to see updated premiums. If your modifications don't yield satisfactory results, consider reaching out to customer service. Use the chat feature or call a representative for personalized assistance. Prepare to discuss your financial situation and coverage needs during the call. Be ready to ask specific questions regarding possible discounts or alternative policies. After exploring all options, review the new premium structure presented to you. Take your time to consider if the adjustments meet your financial goals. If satisfied, confirm the changes directly through your online account or with a representative. Keep a record of any changes made and updated policy details for future reference. Finally, monitor your premiums annually to ensure they remain competitive and aligned with your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.